Hello everyone. As you know, as we start unit number 5 of project management and entrepreneurship, and here we discuss in this video the most important topic, that is functions of management. The functions of management is a very important topic because the management is the process of planning, management is the process of organizing, management is the process of stopping, directing, and controlling the available resource effectively and efficiently achieving the goals of organization. These interrelated elements of the management process are called as the function of management. The function of management are differentiated into the two parts: managerial functions. It includes the planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling, and operative functions, that is production, marketing, purchasing, financing, and personal. The managerial functions are the common to all enterprise because it does not vary from one organization to another. For example, the planning are to be a common in all organizations, whereas the operative functions are not common and they are different from one organization to another. For example, the production is not performed at the retailer store. So these are we will go it one by one. First and foremost, the planning. As we know, the planning. A plan is a future series of action which is to be decided for it. Beforehand. It specifies the objective to be achieved in the future and the step required to achieve them. Planning is the most essential function of a management. Second important is the organizing. Now organizing is the management function of allocating the duties, grouping various activities, establishing the authority, and allocating the resources necessary to attain the specific plans. Once the plans are formulated, the organizing function reviews the activities and resources needed to the applied to the plans. Third, very important, if you take an example of organizing, for example, in a Ram enterprise of shoes, there are many duties to be performed. So he allocates the duties within the organization, forming the various groups, attain the plan, and he decide who will perform which task: preparations of account, marketing, sales, record keeping, quality control, and inventory control are the tasks to be performed. There is an organizational hierarchy so that reporting is easy and there is a smooth flow within the enterprise. So this is all about organizing. Then the next and very important topic is the staffing. The staffing is referred to the process of hiring and developing the required personnel to fill in various positions in an organization. For example, if you consider the same example, then when Ram is hiring personnel for his enterprise, he will recruit the different people for the different tasks. He has to ensure that he is hiring the right people with the right qualification for the right job. For this process, the Ram will need a HR manager who will performing this task for our organization. This will be a very important part of the management, that is staffing. Then the next important is the directing. Directing, in terms of directing, is that the component of a management process which ensure that the members of an organization work efficiently and that effectively achieving the desired objective. For example, the RAM enterprise in the RAM enterprise, the employees are having some doubt, some difficulties, and if the supervisor guides his subordinates and clarify their doubts in performing the task, so it will be help. It means how you can directing them. And the last and very important is the controlling. When the plans are put into the operation from directing, it becomes essential to judge regularly whether the actual results are to be consistent with the planned results. So it monitor the organizational performance. For example, the RAM expected to sell the thousands pair of shoes per week. This is a standard against which his actual performance will be judged at the end of the week. So if his actual performance at the end of the week falls short of the standard, the reason of the shortfall would be ascertained by his superior. So it means that can be controlled, that can be judged, and that can be managed. So these are the different functions of management. So this is a very important topic, the function of management. The next and very important, again important topic, is the human resource management that we discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.